who hire attorneys to handle their injury cases on average get more money.
I was having a lot of sinus infections. My sinuses were clogged, pressure, headaches.
Linda suffered for years with chronic sinus infections. Now her issues are gone. How? A minimally invasive procedure done in the office of Tampa Bay Breathe-Free Sinus and Allergy Centers called balloon sinuplasty.
I would do it again in a heartbeat, and I would
The same people that cut diamonds that are faceting diamonique stones, and so there's a skill to it that doesn't just happen by accident.
Yes.
All these factors have to come together to create diamonique, which is what makes it so special.
It is. And you know, those are again all of the behind the scenes that we take care of for you. You just get to shop with your heart. You know, you're sometimes in the diamond world, and I would recommend doing this. You play it safe.
Yeah.
Right? It's an investment. So you're going to go for those classics that you
up overnight tonight, and actually throughout the weekend it's going to be decently breezy. The temperature will be dramatic this evening, down through the 60s, down through the 50s. It becomes effective.
Okay, we'll watch it closely. Thanks so much. And if you have a story you want Masa to investigate, call our 8 on your side hotline. There's the phone number for you. It's 1-800-338-0808, or you can visit her on Facebook at WFLA Masa.
January marks Human Trafficking Awareness Month, and a Tampa woman is sharing her brave story tonight on a journey as a human trafficking survivor. jobs are being
10x. Now it's 5. But you still have the option to go all the way up to a 100 times zoom with improved photos along the way.
If you've ever wondered what all these lenses are on the back, this is your ultra wide at 12 megapixels. This is your standard at 200 megapixels. This is the new 5-time zoom lens at 50 megapixels. Here's another tiny zoom lens, and right here, you've got some help for autofocus.
Samsung leaning heavily into AI features, especially for photo editing. You can remove objects, replace and resize things, and more. It's very in Florida.
Take a look outside right now on our International Plaza and Bay Street camera. You can see the clouds starting to break up. The cold front's headed our way. We've already seen the prefrontal showers push through this area. The winds have shifted to become out of the north and northwest, and that's the sign that the colder, drier air is moving in, and these clouds are on their way out. As far as what you can expect this evening, the prefrontal showers are now pushing through southern Polk County to south of I-4. Notice by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, the cloud line is basically along I-4, so we've got sunshine to the north of that and cloudier skies to the south of that, but not for long. They push out pretty quickly. Then we've got these due north winds. That's the colder, drier air moving in, and that keeps it feeling extra chilly tomorrow. In fact, by your noon hour, we're only in the mid to low 50s to the north of I-4 and the mid to upper 50s to the south of I-4. Moving into Saturday night, the temperatures are dropping even more quickly with the clear skies and cold breeze. By the time 7 o'clock rolls around, we're seeing some 40s across the Nature Coast, and those spread across our area as the clouds move in overnight and into Sunday morning. And Sunday morning's the coldest time of this. Coldest time of this cold snap. In fact, we'll brush freezing in Citrus County. We'll be in the mid-30s in Brooksville and Zephyr Hills, as well as Newport Richey. We'll even make it into the mid-30s in most of Tampa. Unless you're right along the water, then you'll be in the upper 30s. St. Pete gets down to 41. Lakewood Ranch, Lakeland, and Bartow get down into the upper 30s. And Sarasota will be right around that 40-degree mark. So a brutally cold start on Sunday with some clouds added in to make the temperatures feel even chillier, the lack of sunshine. It'll be a tad gustier on Sunday. Your noontime temperatures will be breaking into the 50s, and then your afternoon temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s. There's no chance for showers, but it's going to be overcast for most of the day and breezy for the most of the day as well, which will make it feel even colder. So the front's pushing through. We have sunny skies. It's breezy and chilly on Saturday, and then the clouds move in on Sunday when we wake up near freezing along the Nature Coast. It's cloudy, windy, and cold on Sunday. But Monday, after a cold start, we do start to turn mild. The clouds return, and they'll be in our forecast for the next couple of days. We'll have clouds and a few showers, but the temperatures get warmer each day next week. So for the Gasparilla Children's Parade, definite coat weather out there. It is cool all day and then getting chilly quickly. Here's your 8-day forecast showing some.
Choosing a treatment for your chronic migraine, 15 or more headache days a month each.
That's $1978.80 a year. And utilities.
And Optimum is 5-star rated?
4 years in a row, thanks to our members. Now, close your eyes and imagine the 5-star life with Optimum.
A lot to it, right? I mean, usually we think of a cold front that brings in a blast of cold weather. You typically see a squall line ahead of it with strong and severe thunderstorms. Not this time.